Miniature gardens are pleasure to make. I really enjoy the process of making miniature garden setups. For urban gardeners, it is the best way to showcase your plant collection in the form of garden on small scale. Today I am going to share with you one more easy and interesting DIY succulent miniature garden. You can also say it Miniature Zen Garden. Succulents look beautiful in the group, plus they are less demanding, need very little care, and now in winters they grow beautifully. I already shared few succulent arrangements. If you haven't seen it, please check the description box. I will put all the links there. Alright, let's begin. I am using this rectangular ceramic pot here. It is 4-inch deep. You can select any shallow container. I love its color, texture and overall look of the pot. You can also use terracotta, plastic pot. It's entirely your choice, but make sure it has drainage hole. That is essential for every miniature garden project. The first and most important step is to cover the bottom hole with stone or pebble. Then add layer of small gravel or pebbles. It is the essential step for the survival of succulents. It helps for better drainage and avoids root rot. Then add succulent potting mix, or if you have garden soil, mix river sand or perlite in it to make soil well draining. You can purchase ready-made potting mix from Amazon. I will put some link in the description box. Succulent potting mix is must. If you use any normal garden soil, then it could be problematic for succulents. They prefer good air circulation around the roots, so use succulent potting mix. The interesting thing is that for making this miniature garden, I am using all succulent cuttings from my existing old succulents because they are easy to propagate by cuttings. I have made separate detailed video on successful methods of succulent propagation. A link is going to be the top right of the video. Before you start planting, always keep the theme for the garden design and then plant succulents. Start with the bigger plants so you will get the idea of remaining plant and other arrangement. As I shared with you, most of the succulents from my garden. I am arranging them asymmetrically to get natural look. For succulent arrangement, select the plants with different colors, textures and heights to make the garden more interesting. Make sure that the base of the succulents are set half-inch lower than the lip of the container. And these are few more cuttings of burro's tail. After planting all succulents, put some potting mix but keep some space for watering on top. My planting is done. Now time to add garden ornaments. As the focal point, I am placing this cute little monk statue on the stone. And then layer of white crushed white pebbles and coarse sand over the potting soil. Also a couple of large pebbles to mimic desert landscape. I think here I need to add one more succulent in front of Buddha. For cleaning plants, I am using this paintbrush. That's it. Simple, beautiful yet easy to maintain. Now it is ready. I'm keeping this garden very simple, not so complicated. I have used maximum hardy succulents here, which doesn't need much care. Just keep this kind of succulent arrangement in bright indirect light near sunny window and water them once in 10 to 12 days. They will be fine with that. If plants start losing their color and become leggy, that's a sign they need more light, so help them accordingly. One more thing, in the night time, these battery operated candles. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful Zen garden. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to Garden Vibes. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon. Till then, take care and happy gardening.